Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I hope you are good. Today we are going to build a Python program which can automate scrolling on YouTube, Instagram, or whatever else. This project will make you comfortable with basic automation stuff. We will use most known module called pyautogui. So let's start coding. You can just take a big cup of coffee and enjoy the video. So to get started, you need to install pyautogui. You can use pip install pyautogui if you are on Windows, or just use pip3 install pyautogui if you are using MacBook or something. So we're importing two libraries. Number one, time, to pause the program for a specific amount of time. Number two, pyautogui, to control the keyboard and simulate pressing keys. In this case, we will use down arrow key to scroll the video. Step 2, we define a class called scroller. A class is like a blueprint or template that allows us to group related functions, called methods. So now it's step 4 inside the class we just created. We create a method called press down arrow. This method will handle all the scrolling actions. Now we are on the step 4 where we ask the user to input 3 values in the try block, which tries what we put in it. And this code also uses a for loop to scroll down multiple times. The for press in range duration runs the loop for the number of times set by duration. Inside the loop, pyautogui.press down simulates pressing the down arrow key to scroll, while print scroll press shows how many scrolls have happened so far. The time.sleep delay pauses between each scroll to control the speed, and when the loop finishes, print done confirms the scrolling is complete. If a value error happens, like when someone types letters instead of numbers, the code jumps to the accept value error part and shows the message, invalid input. Please enter numbers for both delay and duration. This way, it reminds the user to input numbers only. After completing our main code, we create an object from the scroller class and then calls a method from it. Scroller equals to scroller creates an instance of the scroller class, allowing us to use its methods. Scroller.press/down arrow calls the press down arrow method of that instance, which likely triggers the scrolling action defined in the class. In short, it sets up the scroller object and then tells it to scroll down by running its method. So after running our code, we specified the time delay between each scroll and the total duration, like how many scrolls we wanted to automate. Then we opened YouTube and the program started scrolling automatically. After completing all the scrolls, the program printed done. Thanks for watching. See you soon in another video.